हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के सेशन में हम आपको हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस के 10 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताएंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द हिल एट द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज 60 डिग्री एंड द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ द टावर टू द फुट ऑफ द हिल is 30 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the hill. So let us first draw the diagram. Hill, the hill, and there is a tower, and the angle of elevation of the hill at the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of the hill is 60 degree, and the angle of depression from top of the tower, angle of depression from top of the tower of the foot of the hill is 30 degree. This angle of depression, let us draw a horizontal line here, from the top of the tower to the foot of the hill is 30 degree. So this angle will also be 30 degree. Because this angle is less means tower has, because these are alternate angles, so this tower has less height. That's why the angle is less. So we will take the height of the tower as less. And height of the tower is 50 meter. So this tower is 50 meter high. This height is 50 meter. And we want to find the height of the hill. Find the height of the hill. Let the height of the hill be h meter. Because this is unknown, so we will take, let the height of the hill be h meter. H meter. Now let the base, this base, the distance between the tower and the hill be x meter. Let this be x. So now let us denote the hill by AB and tower by CD. Now let us first consider this triangle CDB, because this height is known to us and we can calculate the base, that is the distance between the hill and the tower. So in right triangle CDB, this height is given and we want to find the base, height and base, that is we will consider trigonometric ratio tan theta, perpendicular upon base. So tan 30 degree. So in this triangle tan 30 degree will be equal to CD upon BD. CD is equal to 50 upon BD is x. So tan 30, as you all know, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 50 upon x. On cross multiplication we get x is equal to 50 under root 3 meter. Now let us come to this triangle, right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, again we want to calculate this height and base is known to us. So height and base, that is we will consider perpendicular upon base tan theta, tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular, which is AB. AB upon base is x. BD is x, so AB upon x AB is equal to h, so this is h upon x. Tan 60 is under root 3. Under root 3 is equal to h, height is unknown quantity, x we have calculated in the first, x is 50 under root 3, 50 root 3. So this gives us h is equal to 50 root 3 into under root 3, that is 50 into 3, which is equal to 150 meter. So the height of the hill is equal to 150 meter. Next question, question number 2. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point A 60 meter above the surface of water of a lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of its shadow in the water of lake is 60 degree. Find the height of cloud from surface of water and also find the distance of cloud from A. Let us start the solution. Let this be the surface of water, and there is a point A 60 meter above the surface of water. This is the point A 60 meter above the surface of water. From this point there is a cloud at the point C. The angle of elevation of the cloud from this point, that is, first let us draw horizontal line and then joining the point A to the cloud. This angle is 30 degree. And the angle of depression of its image in the water. So if the cloud is at a distance h from water surface, then its image will be formed at a distance h below the water surface using the laws of reflection. और उसमें जितना डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट इन फ्रंट होता है किसी सरफेस के, उतना ही डिस्टेंस बिलो इमेज बनेगी. तो अब h डिस्टेंस पे इस क्लाउड का इमेज फॉर्म होगा बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर और इन वाटर. एंड द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, लेट दिस इमेज बी डिनोटेड बाय I here. Angle of depression from the point A of this image I. A से I को ज्वाइन करेंगे और हॉरिजॉन्टल से डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में 60 डिग्री. So this is the image of cloud in the water at the point I, and cloud is at a height h above the surface of water. Now if this distance, let us name the points. M, this point is N, and let this point be K, and the point where the image is formed is I. We want to find the height of cloud from the water surface, that is, we want to find the value of h, and we also want to find the distance of cloud from the point of observation, यानी कि आपको AC फाइंड करना है. तो आपको AC की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और आपको NC की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Now this angle is 90 degree. Kn, here Kn is equal to AM and equal to 60 meter, because this is a rectangle. AKNM is a rectangle, therefore AM is equal to Kn. This is 60 meter. Now there are two right triangles possible, CKA and AKI. So we must have, we can find the value of CK. CK will be equal to Cn minus Kn. And Cn, let Cn is equal to H. We have taken, let Cn is H here, H meter. And by the laws of reflection, we can say that Cn is equal, let Cn, let us write here, let Cn is equal to H meter, Cn is equal to In is equal to H meter by laws of reflection. Now the value of CK is equal to Cn minus Kn is equal to H minus 60. And for the other triangle, when we consider the other triangle, we should also know Ki. Ki will be equal to Kn plus Ni is equal to H plus this H and plus 60, that is Ki is equal to H plus 60 meter. So we have now got the value of Ck, which is H minus 60. This is H minus 60. And this distance from this point to the point I, this is H plus 60 meter. तो ये दोनों डिस्टेंसेस अब हमको पता लग गए हैं. और let us take this as x. AK is equal to x. X meter. Now let us consider the two right triangles. पहले हम right triangle consider करेंगे AKC. In right triangle AKC, this base is common in the two triangles, तो हम perpendicular का यूज करेंगे और base का यूज करेंगे. tan 30 degree and perpendicular upon base, you know, is equal to tan theta. So tan, we will consider the trigonometric ratio tangent, tan theta. Tan 30 degree is equal to, in this triangle, CK upon AK, which implies that tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to CK we have calculated, CK is equal to H minus 60 upon AK we have taken as X. So this is cross multiply, x is equal to root 3 into H minus 60. This is equation number first. Now the other triangle which is possible here is AKI. In right triangle AKI. In right triangle AKI. Again we need this perpendicular and base. So tan 60 degree here is equal to, angle is 60 here, is equal to, the perpendicular is Ki upon the base is here AK. Tan 60 we know is equal to under root 3 is equal to Ki we have calculated, Ki is h plus 60, h plus 60 upon x. Now by cross multiplication or rearranging we can get the value of x is equal to h plus 60 upon root 3, because root 3 x is equal to h plus 60, so x is equal to h plus 60 upon root 3. This is number 2. Now if we compare the two values of x, we can get the value of h. So from equation first and second, if we equate the two values of x, that is root 3 into h minus 60 is equal to h plus 60 upon root 3. If we cross multiply, then 3 under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to 3. 3 into h minus 60 is equal to h plus 60, and on multiplying 3h minus 180 is equal to h plus 60. Now transposing h to the other side, if we transpose h to the other side, then 3h minus h is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. 3h minus h is 2h. 2h is equal to 180 will be added here, because minus 180, so it will become plus. So 180 plus 60, so this will be equal to 240. So 2h is equal to 240, or we can say h is equal to 240 upon 2 is equal to 120. So we have got the value of height of the cloud or above the water surface, which is equal to 120 meter. So height of cloud above water surface, height of cloud above water surface is equal to h is equal to 120 meter. Now we also want to find the distance of cloud from A, that is we want to find the distance AC. We are also interested in distance AC. So AC will be equal to AC, and CK we can calculate. CK is h minus 60, h we have already calculated. तो आपको इस CK डिस्टेंस भी पता लग जाएगा, हमें पता है, और AC हमें फाइंड करना है, यानी कि ये दोनों साइडें इन्वॉल्व होंगी. तो हमें यहाँ पे लेना चाहिए परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज आर इन्वॉल्व. तो आपको यहाँ पे नोन और अननोन का को देख के ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो लेते हैं. तो ये आपका नोन है और ये आपको अननोन है. तो आप यहाँ लेंगे साइन थीटा. साइन थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, दैट इज साइन 30. तो CK, if we want to calculate CK, तो साइन 30 डिग्री in triangle AKC, in right triangle AKC, sin 30 degree is equal to CK upon AC. CK upon AC, and CK can be easily calculated. CK is h minus 60, so CK will be equal to, here we can find the value of CK. CK will be equal to h minus 60, that is 120 minus 60 is equal to 60 meter. So we have got the value of CK. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 is equal to CK, value of CK is 60 upon AC, that is AC is equal to 120. 60 into 2, 120. So both the answers are 120 meters. The height of the cloud above the water surface, that is CK. Cn is h, and h we have calculated is 120 meter. So height of cloud above the water surface is 120 meter, and the distance of the cloud from the point A, that is AC. AC is also equal to 120 meters. So this is a complete solution of this question. Next question, important question, question number 3. From a window 9 meter above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house on the opposite side of the street are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the opposite house and width of the street. So first let us draw the diagram. So this is the width of the street, and there are two houses, one on the one side of the street and the other on the other side of the street. The first in the first house there is a window 9 meter above the ground. At the point A there is a window 9 meter above the ground. From this point the house on the other side of the street is observed. Let the other house be denoted by PQ, and both top and foot are observed, and their angle of elevation and depression are given. Means the other house has more height than from the point A, that is the window of the window of the left house. So the angle of elevations of P and Q are given. So let us first draw a horizontal line. यहाँ पे आप horizontal line draw करेंगे. Angle of elevation of the top is 30 degree, and angle of depression of the bottom, it is given to be 60 degree. Let this horizontal line cuts at the point M. Now this angle is 30, this angle MAQ, angle PAM is 30, and the angle of depression M below the horizontal, that is MA of the point Q, that is angle MAQ is 60 degree. Now this angle MAQ will be equal to angle AQ. Let this point be noted by B here. Angle MAQ is equal to angle AQB, alternate angles. Angle, we can say angle AQB is equal to angle MAQ, this Z shape angle. These are the alternate angles. So this angle is also 60 degree. Angle AQB is equal to angle MAQ is equal to 60 degree. हमें जो कैलकुलेट करना है, दूसरे हाउस की हाइट आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है, और दूसरे हाउस की स्ट्रीट की विड्थ यानी BQ कैलकुलेट करना है या AM कैलकुलेट करना है. तो आपको यहाँ कैलकुलेट करना है PQ. यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट हाइट ऑफ द अदर हाउस, और आपको कैलकुलेट करना है विड्थ ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, दैट इज BQ. सो लेट द हाइट ऑफ द अदर हाउस बी H. या फिर हम एक और तरीका कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ से 9 मीटर है तो इसको 9 मीटर ले लेंगे और फिर इसको फाइंड कर लेंगे, या फिर हम टोटल हाइट को ले लेते हैं H. लेट द हाइट ऑफ अदर हाउस be H meter. Now let us consider one more distance, this BQ distance as X. Let BQ is equal to X, and let BQ is equal to X meter. नाउ लेट अस ऑब्जर्व कि इसमें कितने ट्राइंगल्स हैं। तो आपके पास देखिए दो राइट ट्राइंगल हैं, एक तो पी एम ए एंड द अदर राइट ट्राइंगल इज आइदर ए एम क्यू और ए बी क्यू। हम ए बी क्यू को कंसिडर करेंगे। ए बी क्यू राइट ट्राइंगल, दिस राइट ट्राइंगल एंड द राइट ट्राइंगल ए एम पी। तो सबसे पहले हम कंसिडर करते हैं राइट ट्राइंगल ए बी क्यू। इन राइट ट्राइंगल ए बी क्यू, क्योंकि इस ट्राइंगल की हेल्प से वी कैन कैलकुलेट द विड्थ ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, दैट इज एक्स। तो tan 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू, वाई वी हैव टेकन कंसिडर 10, क्योंकि ये आपको गिवन है ए बी, और बी क्यू यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट विड्थ ऑफ द स्ट्रीट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड। तो आप tan 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, दैट इज ए बी अपॉन बी क्यू। tan 60 डिग्री √3 is equal to AB is 9 meter, it is given, upon BQ we want to calculate, इसको हमने लेट किया हुआ है x के इक्वल, तो इसको इसकी जगह आप x रखेंगे। अब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x अंडर √3 इज इक्वल टू 9, और हमें कैलकुलेट करना है x इज इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन अंडर √3, और आप इसे लिख सकते हैं 3 इंटू 3 अपॉन √3, और ये √3 से ये √3 टाइम कैंसल्ड। is equal to, so we can say x is equal to 3√3 मीटर। और इसे अगर एग्जैक्ट टर्म्स में हम कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं तो वी कैन यूज दिस वैल्यू इट इज गिवन। सो 3 इंटू 1.732, दैट इज 3 to 6, 9, 3 7 21, and 3 1 3, and 5.196 meter. So this we have calculated, the width of the street is 5.196 meter. अब आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है h की वैल्यू। तो h के लिए हमें लेना पड़ेगा ट्राइंगल PMA, और PMA में ये पूरा हाइट वी हैव टेकन एज h, ये हाइट आपकी 9 मीटर है। तो यहाँ हम करेंगे AM इज इक्वल टू x, AM इज इक्वल टू BQ इज इक्वल टू x, एंड x वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड कितना है, हम लेंगे ये वैल्यू, क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन हमारे 3√3। नाउ PM, हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट PM? PM की वैल्यू होगी PQ माइनस MQ, और MQ इज इक्वल टू AB। So PQ minus AB we can say, MQ is equal to AB, and PQ is H minus AB is 9 meters, so H minus 9 meter. So this distance from P to M, this is H minus 9 meter. Now let us consider, ये ट्राइंगल कंसिडर करेंगे PMA, इन राइट ट्राइंगल PMA। tan 30, वाई 10, क्योंकि हमें परपेंडिकुलर पता है और बेस नोन है। तो tan 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू PM अपॉन AM, परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, एंड PM की वैल्यू है हमारी H माइनस 9, और अपॉन AM इज 3√3। tan 30 is 1 upon √3 is equal to H minus 9 upon 3√3, और ये देखिए √3 कैंसल्ड, तो H बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 इज इक्वल टू H माइनस 9, और H इज इक्वल टू 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 meter. So the height of the other house which we are observing from the window of the house on the other side of the street. From the point A we are observing the house PQ. Then the height of the house PQ is equal to, we have calculated it is equal to 12 meter. So height of PQ, other house, that is equal to 12 meter, and the width of the street which is BQ, width of street is equal to, we have calculated earlier, 5.196 meter. So this is the final answer of the question. Height of the other house is 12 meter and width of the street is 5.196 मीटर. तो इस सेशन में हमने आपको 3 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं. अगले सेशन में हम आपको इसके और क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे. तो विद दिस आई कंक्लूड दिस सेशन. और like and subscribe my channel for new videos and press the bell icon.